So OnePlus 16 could be last of its kind or might be a new beginning of an old era. The OxygenOS was 80% of the reason why people bought a OnePlus phone back in the day. I still remember my friend bought the OnePlus 7 Pro and we all went crazy seeing how smooth and fresh the software was. From that time, I became a fan of OnePlus. The OxygenOS was a defense for OnePlus fans in any smartphone debate. Now, seeing that OnePlus is completely shutting down the OxygenOS, which is one of the main reasons why OnePlus became a brand in market, I'm really disappointed and I didn't see that coming. The report says that Oppo, the parent company of Realme and OnePlus, is planning to trash the OxygenOS and Realme UI, and instead they will give the ColorOS to all three brands.
I'll never let go. I promise.
Now, I'm not against the ColorOS. The ColorOS is also very smooth software in the market, but as a OnePlus user who has used OxygenOS and is still using OxygenOS, OxygenOS had its own identity, so losing that might be a very big push for fans. Now, for those who don't know, OnePlus already uses ColorOS in the Chinese market, but globally they still provide us with the OxygenOS. But now it seems like Oppo is planning to trash that because one of the main reasons is that Realme and OnePlus come under Oppo as sub-brands. So Oppo is finding it difficult to manage all three software platforms with different engineers. And for them it's costing much more, and considering the ongoing smartphone industry crisis, it seems like a good decision from the company's point of view. And we all know that OxygenOS and Realme UI share almost the same code as ColorOS, so it might not be that drastic a change considering how OxygenOS feels like now, but it hurts a little bit. And for those who already bought Realme and OnePlus smartphones, the report says that OnePlus and Realme will still complete their promises of updates. But we still don't know whether they will convert the ongoing software to ColorOS or whether they will continue the software until the update ends. Now, talking about this software, there is also a related upgrade from OnePlus. The biggest upgrade is rumored to be a new 200 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Alongside it could be a 50 megapixel main camera and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The important part isn't the megapixel number, it's what it allows: better zoom shots, more details from far away, and improved flexibility without carrying extra equipments. But OnePlus isn't stopping there. The company is also expected to improve the design, stronger haptics through an upgraded X-axis vibration motor, and both IP68 and IP69 water resistance. Now, those are the details people rarely mention in reviews, yet they are often the things users notice every day. So what are your thoughts on this very big decision by OnePlus? Will you buy the OnePlus 16 if it comes with a ColorOS, or are you a fan of OxygenOS? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you guys in the next one.